Looking for a furry friend who'll stick by your side no matter what? Here are the top 5 most loyal dog breeds. Number 5, the Akita. Known for their fearless devotion. Just like Hachiko, they'll wait for you, forever. At number 4, the German Shepherd. Brave, smart, and fiercely loyal. That's why they're a top choice for police and military work. Coming in at 3, the Golden Retriever. Friendly, gentle, and loyal to the core. They're basically your golden shadow. Number 2, the Labrador Retriever. Always by your side, always ready to love. Labs are loyalty and a wagging tail. And at number 1, the Collie. Just like Lassie, Collies are legendary for their loyalty and protectiveness. Which loyal breed is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more pup-loving content.